Everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created these beautiful Dollar Tree DIYs. So if you are interested in seeing how I created these, just keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to be taking this Dollar Tree hand soap dispenser and just blinging it out a little bit. I'm going to take this Christmas glitter ribbon here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be wrapping that around my container here just to give it a little bit of a more festive look, and I think that would look nice. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to be taking this vase here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and just glamming it out as well. And again, I'm going to be using these little stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so I think I'm just going to add one strip across the bottom. So this is going to look so cute. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using these for my Christmas decor. So I'm just getting a jump start on, whoops, on the holiday decorating. So to finish this off, I picked up some of these hydrangeas from the Dollar Tree, and I have 3 of these. I'm just going to put them inside of my vase. I picked up this little container from the Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do now is just take it out to my garage and spray paint it white. I don't know if I'm going to do the whole container, but I know for sure I'm going to do the top. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and glue together my 2 bases. Alright. Alright guys, so this is how it turned out. I really do hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you have, please give this video a big thumbs up, as well as hitting that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.